Hello friends, thank you so much for your response. Your likes and subscriptions motivate us to add more videos. Let us taste the thoughtful motivation quote today. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. People say that you have to wait for the right opportunity to come. Yes, timing is essential to success, but you also need to realize when you need to be patient and let things fall into place and when to make it happen. Sometimes, it's all about creating that right opportunity instead of waiting for it to come. You can't always rely on chance. We need to create opportunities that will lead to our goals and success. Instead of waiting around, better make things happen. We can't always wonder what will happen next. We must be aggressive and take the necessary steps to achieve our goals. After all, you can't expect to succeed if you're not doing anything. So go out there and make it happen today. Thank you.